Welcome to Did You Know? Now you know with Pekka. That means me. Golden Gate Bridge, the symbol of San Francisco and the hometown of my dear friend Jamie Hyneman, and one of the most famous bridges in the world. But the bridge is painted continuously, all the time. The paint applied to the bridge's steel protects it from the high salt content in the air, which would cause the steel to corrode or rust. It takes a team of 38 painters to repair the worn parts of the paint. If the bridge had been made from duplex steel, no painting would be needed. So now you know. Thank you.